Security, security, security. This is Sea Dragon. VRB 1234. All ships. Warning of floating debris field at position 14.2 degrees north and 120.1 degrees east. Proceed with caution. Over.
Sea Dragon, this is Philippine Coast Guard. We copy your security call. Can you provide more information about the debris field, such as its size and any hazard it may pose to navigation? Over.
Philippine Coast Guard. This is Sea Dragon. The debris field is approximately 1 nautical mile in a diameter and contains large pieces of wreckage, including what appears to be a sunk vessel's mast. We had to alter course to avoid it. Over.
Sea Dragon, this is Philippine Coast Guard. We appreciate the warning. We will issue a navigational warning to all ships in the area. Well done, Sea Dragon. Over.